What's up, everyone? We're back with a new video today. As you can see, the title was a pretty good title because I 3D printed this. It's a little surfboard. And I came down here to actually surf and have a little review on this one, but yeah, it's kind of frozen. So if I were to surf right there and I dropped it, it's gonna come all the way under this ice and out there. Whoa, guys, see all that? That's really not what I'm looking for. I have an idea though. So, as you guys remember, I got this new GoPro for Christmas, and it's really sick, guys. Look, this ice is not strong. So what I'm gonna do, it's waterproof for 16 feet underwater. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of break this ice. There we go. So I just broke the ice with the GoPro. Shouldn't have done that, but now I'm gonna shine this underwater with the ice. Comment down below if that was cool. It better be cool because I just got my GoPro wet for that. The deer are still up there. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, it's not. It's freezing cold water. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm such an idiot, guys. Oh, outside for the pain. I'm gonna go check on the chickens. It's my toy job every day. So guys, yeah, so this 3D print, I'm actually going to start selling these on Etsy, and I'm really excited to do that because I'll probably list them because they take 24 minutes to print one. Look at this rapids. I should have brought my foamy friend, guys. That would have been sick. Go check out the review on that if you guys are wondering to buy one. You can go check out that review on KSK. You gotta tip up KSK, Kellogg's Kids, if you want a review on one of those. I did that, but I changed my YouTube channel because I got a strike on that one. And I was like, this is stupid. I don't want to get this channel deleted, so I completely went to a different one. And I'm actually gonna post a lot of videos on this because I'm trying to get monetized. It's gonna take time though. Look how crazy this ice is. But that's a surfing wave. Roll up my sleeve. Oh, guys, that's so sick. It's too cold though. It's pretty crazy. The ice is like underwater. Water. The ice is underwater. Water. Water. No water. I'm just looking for like a wave with, not like a kayaking wave. Not one of those. Like, don't really know how to explain it, but these are pretty good because you could surf out the car window with these. That's mainly what they're for. So, whoa, we can ice skate here. I gotta do that, underwater ice thing. Oh shoot, this ice is crazy. It's not even in the water. Look how cool that is. That is insane. Look. It's not even underwater. The camera is not underwater right now. Look at that. Watch. Ready? That was insane. I just keep tapping the ice. That was insane. It's freezing, so I'm putting my hood back up. Oh my gosh. Again, please. It's just not in the air. Oh look, same thing happened here. Dang. Yeah, same thing happened here. It was over and it just broke down. It is mainly like a underwater ice video. Under ice water video. Okay, what I'm saying, guys. Oh, I almost grabbed my tech deck. Yeah, I got these for Christmas. I can do a kickflip. That's like my best kickflip. But yeah, comment down below if you guys actually want a video on that. But let's grab the surfboard. So, guys, I actually can 3D print like kind of anything, and I'm kind of stepping in the water. Ready? Look at them surfing! Surf, 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 jump. Sick, guys. Let's keep going to find more. Because that wasn't like fully what I needed. It was until I stepped in it, but it was until I stepped in it, but where am I in this creek? Oh, there's the big waterfall. I thought that was it. I was like, looks different. Yeah. Hear that? It's covered in ice. So guys, I'm gonna actually stop this video real quick and say, ooh. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Surfing time. Using the white because I like the gray better and I don't want to lose the gray on this one. Okay, ready? Almost lost it again. Guys, these are great. Go buy these on my Etsy shop. These work like crazy. Look at the water squirting out the, what's it called? You can even turn on them. No! No! Frick, he's under the ice. It's under the ice. It's under the ice. You guys see him? You guys see him? No, I can't grab him. No, I can't grab him. I would have fallen in. Like the ice. No, no, he's stuck. He's stuck on a branch. He's stuck on a branch. I still see him, which is the good thing. Okay, guys, watch this Kobe power mode. Kobe power mode. Ice with my foot. I wasn't thinking I was gonna drop him. I was going clean. There he is, there he is. Grab him. No. Oh. Guys, he just went through a crazy experience. This bro just floated under ice. And then under the ice, he got stuck. He got stuck on a branch. I made it to my destination. Yeah, it's slush ice. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to break off one of these ice things and throw it on. Yeah, there's ice right here too. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna yeet this at it. See what that did? That's pathetic. Remember a video on KSK, guys. You probably haven't seen it, whoever's watching this. If anyone is watching this, probably not, but I was setting this up, trying to build a dam right here to make this look more like a pool. And I kept getting attacked by this massive bug. Yeah, that really hurt. Okay, watch, ready? I have an idea. What if I jumped on it? I'm gonna fall in. And nobody found me because I was just under the ice. And nobody had any thought that I was under the ice. Because nobody just thought I was under ice in a creek. I mean, who would think that? Who would think he died? Where is he? He's stuck somewhere. I'm gonna go check the creek ice. Don't think anyone. You gotta be an idiot. Actually, no, you'd be pretty smart if I actually died, because then you would find me. I think I'd be able to break through that ice. Also, it was thick. Look at the bird standing there. Thank you guys so much for watching.